Okay, short video para sa mga documents, requirements doon sa enlistment na sabi prepared and accomplished for. Na una-una yung ating personal history statement, original with 2 ID pictures, 3x5 colored picture, whole body, diploma ng ating high school, college, or in situ, transcript of records, high school or college, PSA birth certificate, certificate of no marriage, yung tinatawag na sinumar, marriage contract of parents, barangay clearance, police clearance, municipal trial court, regional trial court clearance, NBI clearance, at an affidavit of no pending case before any criminal or civil court or any case involving moral turpitude. So, yan yung mga documents na shall be prepared and accomplished for no, sa ating mga nagpapa-enlist or for enlistment. So maraming salamat at magandang hapon sa ating lahat. Bye-bye.